The outside of this area is in the galvanized steel and the fiberglass. So this material is totally corrosion prevention. So you don't need to worry about on the issue about the corrosion. Then you can see there, this one is the other. This one is also for the electricity controller. Then you can see outside here. Here is the bottom of the trailer, and you can see there is the main machine for the air conditioner. You can put it on outside. Okay, you can see here. All this part is with the heavy duty, so it would be it is strong for the outlet. When you plug it down on the travel side, you already be different. You can just set up a table here, and you can pull out the array on top. Then you can prevent the sunshine, and you can enjoy your fantastic holiday with your family. So this area is very popular recently, and we will recommend that you can enjoy it. So if you want to know more information, you can also feel free to contact me.